Assalamu alaikum. And good afternoon, everybody. Everybody listen to me? Do you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
Yes, yes.
Yes, guy. Yes, guy. Okay. So we have time for 2 to 3 minutes. So you people, any have the doubt for yesterday class, or you want to discuss anything regarding and related to yesterday class, or any things you want to ask? Till that, because only 13 participate, maybe only 30 people are joining, because still time we have. So till that time we can discuss.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Yes, Usman.
Sir, about NDIT, you have said something, but I think I didn't make a note of that.
No,
ND,
NTDS. That is NTDS.
yes.
New technology
NTDS,
directories.
DIT, something you said.
No. That is the folder, database folder, NTDS. Okay.
Okay.
But folder is only storage. Okay. Like a tiffin box. Right. Lunch, what you prepare, that is actual thing, right? Same like the NTDS is a folder of database, but in that all information is going to be stored in a file system. Okay. So whatever information, credential information, all this information is going to be stored. That file is created automatically. That file is created by automatically. Okay.
Okay.
So that file name is ntds.dit.
Acha, NTDS, acha, DIT is a file exchange.
Yeah. File.
Acha.
Where is the location of the file?
In the
NTDS
server.
folder. No, NTDS folder.
NTDS folder.
And where is the NTDS folder? In the server operating system, in the server. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Server, NTDS
Yes.
folder, and NTDS DIT, Directory Information Tree.
Okay, directory information tree. Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Now clear. So, but is this NTDS folder is not available in desktop operating system, Windows 7, Windows 10, XP, okay, Windows Millennium. You can't find this folder. This NTDS only where in the server operating system, where is the Active Directory. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other? Rizwan, Sheikh, Fayaz. Hello. Rest of the people are listening to me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So means you don't have any query, okay? To ask. Yes, guys.
Yes, sir. Yesterday class was clear, sir. No doubts for me.
Okay. Because no query means only two reasons. One thing, you understand completely each and everything, and second thing, you people not understand anything. Yeah.
Sir, we'll go with the first one. We understand.
So I hope so. You are in first list, right? Understand everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only 15 people. In that you have any friend, or you all are different? 2 p.m. You people are seen, right? Screen.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes. So today we discuss about the operating system, how many types of the operating system, and what the benefit we'll get with the operating system. Still is 15 only. Tawkhir, now you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys. Before starting, operating system. Do you know what is the operating system? Do you have anybody have the idea? Anybody want to say?
What we operate in Windows, sir. That everything comes in operating system. That Windows menu. That everything.
No. What is the operating system?
Yeah, yes, sir. Can I say?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Sure.
The operating system is a software by which the user can interact with the hardware and utilize all the resources that's available on hardware. So operating system is actually the interface between the user and the devices, the hardware.
Okay. Very good. And
Sir, we can say as support a computer basic functions like what we want to, like Word, Excel. It supports the functions.
okay. And anybody? Any else? Guys, tell me right or wrong, anything. Right? You get the habit to say. If you're wrong, so if I know, so I will correct you. Okay, doesn't matter. If you are right, so I appreciate. Everybody I appreciate. Okay, you know. So doesn't matter. So don't be hesitate because we are coming for learning. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. And we are not coming for attending the class. Okay. Attending is different. Learning is different. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, because father said, elder brother said, okay, young brother said, okay, you join your classes is start. Okay, they know your class is start in 2 p.m. So why you're not here? Why you're not attend the class? Okay, why you're not friend of sitting in front of system? Go and join. So not like that, right? So we are coming for learning. So don't be hesitate. Don't be shame. So just whatever you are thinking, whatever things is come in your mind, tell me. Okay. So if you're wrong, so no problem. Because if you say if you're wrong, so when I correct or someone is you are seeing the correct things, so that is fixed in your mind permanently. Got the point? So doesn't matter if you're right or wrong, just say. Okay, clear? So uh, can I know who's telling that all information about the operating system is a mediator between user and hardware?
I said, sir. But
Yes, Usman.
yes.
Yes, 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 Usman. Right.
Uh, can I add something more on this?
Yes, sure.
Uh, See, operating system is like a software, sir.
Yes,
It
is a software.
actually performs the basic tasks like memory management, file management, like a
Okay.
process management. So it's actually an interface between a user and hardware. So we can utilize the resources of hardware using our operating system. So operating system is like an interface between the user and the end hardware. Like all the resources that we have on the motherboard and around all the cloud or server, we can utilize by using operating system.
Yes. Simply because we want to use the hardware, so that is the reason we are using the operating system. Without operating system, we can't use. That's it, right? You want to say clear in simple way, right, Usman? Hello.
Exactly.
Exactly. Yes. So everybody listen to me. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Right. So operating system, just Usman said, explain about, and telling about the operating system. Operating system is a mediator between users and, or you can say hardware or computers. Okay. How? First thing, because that is the definition. And Usman said we can use the devices. So that is the reason operating system. First thing, users, right? User. User means you and me. And computer. Computer means operating system. And operating system, according to Usman, said that devices, right? Devices. OS, user, OS, and operating system. So the user want to use the devices, so that is the reason is mediator between user, right? Right. But between this operating system and devices, one thing is work, that is called kernel. Kernel. Do you have any idea? I think one guy is learning Python. I forget his name. He have the idea about the Python.
Faraz, sir.
Faraz, yes. Faraz, I expect from you. What is the kernel? Faraz is there or is absent? Mr. Faraz, I think he is not available. Okay. Any other girls?
But I think kernel is the one that translates the code of the operating system into binary language, the language that is understandable by the machine.
Yes, it's coding. Yes, it's
Yeah,
like a
it,
coding.
it
Yes, yes,
translates the operating system code, the
yes, yes,
code on which the operating system is built, into the machine language, like equivalent binary
yes,
that
yes,
machine actually understands. So
yes.
it's actually a translator
Yes, yes.
between
Sim. Yeah,
between between the operating system code and machine language. So it
yeah.
actually translates. That's actually the kernel.
Yes. So user cannot communicate directly kernel directly cannot communicate with the devices, right? So user communicate with the operating system. Operating system communicate with the devices with the help of kernel. So kernel is nothing but coding. And what you say again? You can say language. So it can is operating system used for communication to devices. Okay. So kernel is communicate with the devices. Device is a response to the operating system, and operating system again convert and providing you your understanding language. Okay, sensible language. Okay, got the point. So that is the kernel, is a mediator between operating system and device. So operating system is nothing but is a mediator between user and device, or you can say is a mediator between the users and computers. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now what happened? Kernel is support only at a time. I'm talking about the Windows right now. Windows 95, 97, okay, this top operating system is support only one operating system. Okay. So people in the developers, you can say the developers is editing and modify this kernel. What the modify, what the editing in that one, so they are making this kernel support to multiple system at a time. So previous the kernel is support only one operating system. That is the reason at a time you are using only one single operating system. Okay. Nowadays you are using at a time multiple operating system at a time with the help of VMware. Do you heard about this word VMware?
Yes, sir. Virtual machine.
Yes, virtual machine. So virtual machine. So virtual machine, the VMware operating system is support multiple operating system. Why? Because kernel is support multiple operating system. So that is the reason nowadays we can use multiple operating system at a time. Got the point? So just I want to give the this kernel means what is the huge difference between previous kernel and now is kernel. Got the point? That kernel is changed. Nowadays this kernel is changed the whole scenario. Multiple system at a time you can use, multiple operating system you can install at a time. Single operating system is support. The operating system kernel is support means VMware kernel is support the multiple operating system. Got the point? Clear?
Sir, now that kernel name is changed, or it's called same as
No,
kernel,
no,
like,
no operating system. Same kernel,
oh, yeah.
but operating system is different. Okay, so when operating system is because Windows operating system is support single operating system. VMware operating system that is called Hyper-V, that different. We will discuss that time. Okay,
Yes, sir.
when so that operating system is support to multiple operating system. That kernel, okay, that operating system kernel.
So
Clear?
it's called as kernel only.
Yes, yes,
The
yes,
same name.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so this is so when you're talking about the operating system in Windows, so in that Windows we have two types of operating system. One operating system is called desktop operating system. What we call?
Desktop operating system.
Desktop operating system.
Yes, desktop operating system. And second which one? Server operating system. Desktop and server. Desktop means single user. Single user means
Like the
At
single
a time,
computer is connected to
yes,
it.
at a time one person can use, at a time is support to only one user. At a time one user can log on, like 95 XP Millennium, okay, 2000 workstation, okay, Windows 7 Home Edition, Premier Edition, okay. So these are the desktop operating system is support only single user. This is called only this. Which purpose? Which purpose this operating system? Personal use. Personal use. Because your brother want to play the game, so you are going and buy the operating system, and you buy the system, so he will give the desktop operating system. Got the point? Single home purpose. You can say that personal and home purpose. Personal environment purpose. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, clear, sir.
Yes. How many types of operating system?
2 types, sir.
2 types. Any other guys?
2 types, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Other guys? Usman is right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No,
Exactly.
Usman is telling 2 operating system. So I am asking other guys. So Usman saying is correct or wrong?
Actually, sir wants all of you to interact.
Yes.
So people are not interacting. Interact, guys, please.
So I don't know they are listening to me or not. Just because of scaring the parents, they are logging on, went out. Or someone, some people have the issue, so no problem. Okay.
Sir, we can say many operating systems like, sir, 2000, like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, more
Yes.
than 2.
There are majorly two differences. One is the desktop operating system, which normally install in all the computers, and one is a server operating system, which we install in the server. to
Yes,
access-
correct. Yes. So server operating system we can install only in server. Desktop operating system we can install in our personal system, like our personal desktop, laptop. Okay, in that we can install. Okay, and server operating system is for multi-user purpose. So operating system supporting. So earlier operating system in Windows, I'm talking about the Windows 3.3.5 release in 95. After that Windows 95, that is the client. So here is mentioned. बिल्कुल मदद करे, बिल्कुल मदद करे, आमीन। ये किसकी साउंड थोड़ा म्यूट कर दो ना जी। See here, this is server operating systems. Guys, you are seeing?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these are the server operating system. These are the desktop operating system. In desktop operating system, the first one 95, 98, someone is telling, right? 95, 98, 98, 98 second edition, Windows XP and home, different XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. So these are all called desktop operating system. Okay. So major difference is single user. This all operating system is used for single operating system and simple operating system. It doesn't support multiple operating system and it doesn't support multiple users. Okay, and is you can't run the big environment. That means these operating system is not provide the any services. Okay. This is
Okay.
only personal use purpose, personal use. Okay,
Okay, sir.
clear? But same like that, server operating system, first thing we can install in server means high configuration system, high configuration. Which one is provide server operating system? First thing, server operating system is support multi users. Multi users. For example, Gmail, right? So thousands, millions of people are logging Gmail ID, right?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, the three roundup one are server
No,
operating
no.
system.
Just I'm giving the example. Same like that. Here, 2003 server. Okay, 2008 server. This also.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Got the point?
Got it, sir.
Yes. Release this one also. 2012 server out. Because it's mixed server and client operating system. So that is a highlight. I highlight the server, only server operating system. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So server operating system, you can install only server. Okay, clear? So server operating system is support to multi-user and multitask. Multi-user and multitask.
Okay, sir.
Multitask, multi-user means at a time multiple user can log on. Multitask means at a time multiple user you can use a different tasks. For example, if you are using the desktop operating system, so both you and your brother cannot log on at a time. They can log on. Your brother can log on at a time. Same time you are logging with Usman is login with his name user ID. Same time, same system or same laptop, his brother also can log on.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Usman is want to see or watch some different thing, and his brother want to watch the YouTube. So it's possible at a time these two people can use different windows different tasks
No, sir.
in single system. Is
No,
not.
no, not
Yes,
possible.
it's not possible, right? But server operating system it can support, right? Server you can install. One user is accounting, so he can log on the account software. One user is a mail department, so he can use the mail server. Okay, got the point?
Yes, sir.
At a time, different department, different application he can use. This person belong to different, he can use in the, but both are in the same server. Okay, got the point? So
Yes, sir.
multitask means different tasks you can do. Multiple user means at a time multiple user can log on to the server. Okay, clear?
sir, using multiple accounts.
Or
Just account whatever, don't think that much. Okay,
okay.
that is the next level. So account, how to create, because if you say a multiple accounts, another question is coming in your mind, how we can create the account, where we can create the account. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes, questions again remain again questions. Okay, so
Okay.
kill the questions. Okay, first try to understand base first thing. Okay, so what I say,
Uh,
Sir, multiple pins is from two systems or only one system, sir?
means multiple tasks.
Multiple tasks in one system.
Yes, for example, your server in Bangalore.
Yeah.
Yeah, our server company, you are belong to IT department, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am belong to XYZ department or designing department, right?
Okay.
So your server is my server is both are same. Both our both server is same, right? And
Yes, sir.
different place, not in our because we are working from Hyderabad from home. Our server in Bangalore, right? So
Yes.
you need to open your tasks, right? Means ticket, how to create the email, how to take your name, because you are IT department, so you need to check the first mail, what are the mail is coming, so today what is the update, so which operating system license is going to be expire, okay, which device license is going to be expire, which operating system need the patches, so you need to first check that one first. Okay, so
Yeah.
you are going to be open username, you are open the our company website, and he's asking the username and password, you are typing the your name and password. Okay, I'm belong to different department. Okay, designing, so I'm login, my username and password, right? So we
Like
are both
server
logging to,
based, right?
yes, we are both logging to the same server, right? But
Yeah.
whatever you are, same time, so server is related to your task, means clear, and server is provided to related to my task, clear.
Yes, sir.
So
Clear.
this is the multitask, okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, do you have any pictures or info? Some pictures, sir, to show?
In the first this one
Yeah. And me, I mean, picture about systems like,
operating system, I
yeah.
have I have
Sir, I think
different
he's getting confused with multi-user and multitasking. So
multitask.
actually, he's getting confused between this multi-user and multitasking.
That
So
is the reason I give
that,
the explain because his is a one user, I am another user, okay. So multi-user at a time, I'm saying at a time. So he's logging the same time, I'm logging the same time, but his user login ID and password is different. My user in login password is different. So this is
Like
the
server
multi-user.
based network, sir. I told no, sir, like server based network.
Yes, a server based network.
Yeah.
Server based, because we are talking about the server, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Server operating system, we are talking about the server. Previous we discussed about the desktop operating system, single user. The server operating system is a multi user. Multi user means at a time multiple user can log on, clear.
Yeah. Yeah, sir.
Yes. Clear.
Clear, sir.
Yes, okay, got it. So multi user multitasking, right? Clear.
Clear. Sir,
Yeah.
you said something kernel.
That is the first starting class, right? About
Yeah,
the
sir.
operating system, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the reason I'm asking. So anyhow, that kernel is a mediator between operating system and devices. For example, see here, I give the example. You have some data, right?
Yes, sir.
You have data, so you want to store the data in hard disk, right? Clear.
Yeah, clear.
Yes. So how you will store the data in hard disk? So simply you have to go open the system and take out the hard disk, open the hard disk,
And
right?
copy that. Yes, sir.
That whatever you written in the paper, fix in the hard disk, right?
Yes, sir. Copy or move.
No, not a copy. I'm telling physical. Physically
Oh,
open the system,
physical.
physical open the hard disk, completely open the hard disk and see the media, and whatever you written in the paper, you fix in media. Like that you can store.
No, sir, not possible.
Not possible, right?
Yeah.
Is impossible. If you open it, simply is damage the hard disk, right? So
Yes,
it's
sir.
not possible. But you want to store. How you can store? Means physical device, physically you can't use.
Yeah.
So that is the reason operating system help to us to use the hard disk. So operating system, when you install the operating system, it provide the my computer, okay. When you open the my computer, so you can see the devices, means hard disk partitions, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, so that time you can fix the pen drive and copy and paste. Clear?
Yeah.
But
Yes,
how
sir.
you will get the my computer icon partitions? With the help of operating system, right?
Yes, sir.
When
The
you
help
install
of
the operating system, it will provide MS Office not provide, right?
Yeah.
Excel is not provide, right?
Yeah.
MS Word is not provide, right?
Yeah.
Your gaming program is not provide, right?
Okay, great.
Only operating system is provide, right? So
Yes.
operating system is a mediator between devices and computer, okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is the mediator, clear?
Clear.
Now
sir.
you want to install the operating system. How you can install? Without operating system, can you install the MS Office?
No, sir.
You want to
Without
create the
OS,
file, you
you
can
can
create,
install
right?
anything. Yes,
So
sir.
that is the reason
OS
you
is
need to install the operating system. After that, you can install the applications, whatever application.
Yeah.
And with the help of operating system, you can enter that application. Means start button, program, and enter the MS Office, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
But start button is not provide the MS Office, right?
Yes,
Who
sir.
will provide start button program?
OS.
Operating
OS, sir.
system.
Operating
Okay,
system.
got the point. So
Got it.
this is the programming, but behind the scene, right? So behind the scene, who will work this operating system to device comes the kernel.
Kernel.
Clear?
Yes,
Clear.
sir. Not clear.
Is still not
I'm clear, sir. If
clear?
someone-
Those
yeah, that means-
I'm asking those asking about the kernel. Just now is someone asking about the kernel.
Yes, sir. I'm clear. I'm clear.
Clear? May I know your name?
Amjad, sir.
Amjad. Yes, Amjad. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes. So server operating system. Now come to the point. Server operating system is multi-user, multitask. Okay, got the point. So in the operating system, we have different what you can say release. You can say what you can call versions. You can call different version, different operating system. So here we are talking about the Windows only. So Windows 3 starting from 3.5, uske 4.0 after that. And 4.0 is a administration. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Server operating. But the important thing is in 2000 release, the version in 2000, they introduce the new things, that is Active Directory service. Before 2000 server operating system, there is no Active Directory service. Keep it in mind and remember that one. And someone is asking the interview also, in NT 4.0 have the Active Directory. So what the answer, Amjad?
No.
No. Is 2000 server operating system?
2003, sir.
No,
2000.
from 2000. From the 2000 server operating system, they launch Active Directory concept.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
that keep it in mind. Okay. So NT 4.0 doesn't have Active Directory concept. Active Directory concept is launched in 2000. In 2000, 2003, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2019. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Just expand, they added the feature. So NT 4.0. Now this is the server, right? And
Yes.
what is the server? Server is provide the service to the client, that is called server, right? Don't say server Charminar Asghar brother bol.
No, sir.
So, no, that is not that server. Okay, that server is the server bhai is different, server brother is different. Okay,
Okay.
this is I'm talking about the Windows server. Okay,
Yeah, sir.
Windows server operating system. Okay, clear?
वेद भाई एक कप चाय देना यार.
नहीं भाई मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
You can go ahead.
So Windows operating system. Windows operating system, if we are talking about the server, so server operating system, so different versions is there. Okay, so what is the difference between versions? We will discuss. Okay, clear? NT 4.0, 2000, 2003, 2008, 2000. So same like that, server means providing the service to the client, right? And client operating system, Mr. Amjad, Mr. Usman,
Yes, sir. Client operating system.
which operating system?
The client operating systems are XP,
Like
Vista,
desktop
Vista.
operating
Yeah,
system.
desktop
Okay,
operating.
client operating system, right?
Windows 7, Windows 8, all those.
Okay, so in desktop operating system and server operating system, we have the editions.
Yes,
In
sir.
Windows, for example, Windows 7 Home Edition, Windows 7 Professional,
Yes, sir.
Windows
Home
7
edition, personalization, personal. Yeah, some types.
editions means, for example, Windows 7 Professional, Windows 7 Ultimate, Windows 7 Home Edition, Windows 7 Premier editions, right?
Yeah, sir.
Same like server also have the data center, web server. Okay, So like the different type of the server edition also and desktop edition also. So anybody have the knowledge about the what is the this difference between these editions, means desktop editions? Windows, for example, Windows 7 Home Edition and Windows 7 Professional.
Uh, Sir, I think like I don't know exactly, but I'll try to say. It's actually in the basic edition, all the basic features are there, but in Premier and Business Edition, they will give all the add-ons wherein the kind of business applications they want to use. So they have add-on features in this Premier version, like they can run the business if they install this operating system. And in the Home Edition and Standard Edition, they have all the basic features, the home-based features.
Okay. Any else?
Yes, sir. In home edition, they
This
use
is Amjad?
Yes, sir.
Amjad or okay, right. Tell me, Amjad.
They use normal words, sir, not professional words. In and in premium account, they use the professional words, sir, to know about that.
Okay. Any other guys? Hello?
No.
No. Okay. So see here, editions. I'm talking about Windows 7. Windows 7, literally you are seeing the famous Home Edition, Premier Edition, Ultimate and Professional, right? See here, Home Edition, Premier Edition is used for home purpose.
Yes, sir. That's it.
Home purpose. And Professional and Ultimate is for professional corporate purpose. Okay.
Yes.
Understand this point? So Windows 7 Home Edition, Premier Edition is for home purpose. So here you can find out graphic is more, memory is more. Understand? Because people are sitting in the home, they are playing the game. Okay. Video graphic. Hello.
No, sir.
Yes.
Photoshop.
Yes. So that is the thing. So Home Edition is used for home purpose period.
Yes.
But Professional Ultimate is used for corporate purpose. Why? Because you cannot make a client Home Edition, Premier Edition to server client. Simple logic.
Yes, sir. Because they have
You can't configure as a client system Home Edition and Premier Edition. Okay.
Yes, sir. But they have extra features, sir. In
Yes,
Ultimate,
extra features. Okay.
Yeah.
What the point? So we can't use as a client in the corporate. Okay, this system, operating system. Same like that. Professional and Ultimate we can use as a client operating system in the corporate, right? See here, simple logic. Okay, one guy, he don't know anything. Okay, he doesn't have any idea. Okay, he meet the Ambani, he's give the 10 crores and let's go and start the business, right?
Okay.
He's not give the Ambani, okay, 10 crores, but I'm telling, okay, just example, okay.
Okay.
Okay. But he doesn't know anything about that guy. He doesn't know any business B. Okay, business letter B letter. He doesn't know. Okay, so he want to do the business. So Ambani is giving the 10 crore and go and do the business, right? So that time he can start the business. He can run the business. He can manage the business. It's impossible, right?
No,
Not
Yes. Same like that is Home Edition and Premier Editions, right? So Premier Edition, you want to try to make it as a client. So first thing is impossible to make it, right? Got the mind? And whatever servers, facilities, features is available, client you cannot utilize, right? This client, Home Edition, Premier Edition. What are the features is available? So all features, server feature you want to utilize, so you have to use server-based client desktop operating system. Server-based client operating system. Clear?
Yeah.
So here In 2008 is support to client operating system. 2008 to 7 till 10 is supported, means from the 2008 3. So that server operating system is support to all clients, means professional only so Windows 10 also have the professional. Windows 10 Pro means not written the professional, only Pro edition Windows 10. So how we can see, start my computer, right click, properties. See here, you have seen here.
No, sir. No.
No, sir,
No,
no.
nothing.
Screen is not
Blank
showing.
screen is coming, sir.
No, sir, we
We are
can't
not
see.
able to see.
You are able to see.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
has become black, sir.
uh,
The Windows menu got black.
black. So just I will do one thing. I stop and again share.
Okay, okay, sir.
Now it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See here, Windows edition. So the here Windows 7 editions. Clear? Here,
Yes, sir.
this is one. This one.
Windows 7 Ultimate.
Yes, Windows 7 Ultimate. This is Windows editions. So here you can see. And then another command is there, DXDIAG, diagnostic. So here is give the complete information about the operating system. See here, this operating system.
Again, same.
There is a black
Sir,
screen
again got
appears.
black background.
Black screen.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We are unable to see.
Yes, sir.
Maybe it's take the time, I think,
Yeah.
to come to next window.
Okay. We wait for a few seconds. Let's see.
No?
No, sir, not.
Aris, you just repeat the comments, sir. We can practically do that in our laptops or systems.
Okay. So see here, type this command, open run command,
Yes.
and type DX, D for Delhi,
DX.
D for
Yeah,
Delhi,
X.
X for
Okay.
Xerox,
Okay.
again D for Delhi,
Okay.
I for ink, A for America, G for gun, G as a gun, DXDIAG,
D
DX,
DX.
X,
X.
yes,
DX
DIAG,
DXDIAG.
yes, exactly correct.
Yeah.
Open and click on OK.
Do you want to check if your drivers are diagonally signed?
Yes, click on yes.
Okay.
Now you are seeing second line or fourth line maybe about the operating system.
Yes, sir. Windows 10 Enterprise 64-bit.
Yes, Windows 10. Yes, 64-bit. After that version also is written 6, so like it's 7.
10.0,
Yes,
sir.
10.0. Yes, this starting. So here you can get the complete information about the operating system. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And if you go my computer, right click properties. So here you can see the only Windows 7 Ultimate, right?
Yes, sir.
That is a different, okay?
Okay.
Hello. Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
I
sir.
think. I think some internet issue because it's showing some. I don't know. My side is okay, but I don't know what happened. Okay. Anyways, sorry for interrupt. Sorry for this time. Okay, guys, you are able to see the screen. Amjad,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Usman, you are able
Yes,
to
sir.
see,
Okay.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We are
sir.
able to.
Yes. So server operating system is required because whatever the server operating system features you want to utilize, so you can use the same means supporting client operating system. Clear?
Yes, sir.
DXDIH. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Continue.
So server operating system you can use. Okay. So Windows 10. So like that, we have the Windows operating system, Windows NT 4.0, 2000, 2003, 2008, 2012, 2016. Okay, 2019, whatever, right? So, but the difference is from the 2012 and 16. So till 2012, we have server administration. From 2012, Microsoft slightly is changed the pattern. Suppose you want to learn the 2016, so Microsoft is recommended. So first you have the knowledge about the Windows Server 2012 or any other legacy operating system, server operating system. Do you have the knowledge? So then you can come to and learn 2016. Okay, because server completely server administration course means server management course is only from here 2000, 2003, 2008, 2012, right? From 2016 is added the new feature is completely maximum 80 to 60% is virtualization and into storage purpose. Okay, so whatever operating system you want to use, so you can use same like that client operating system. Now come to the server. So in the server also we have the additions. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, something is coming between this. Please move
Yes,
this.
yes, yes, yes. It's coming and gone.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
How can?
Sir, like from I have small doubt.
Yes, yes. Still.
Like before in the earlier versions, we have all the physical servers. Means what you said, I understood this. Then like from 2012, after that, all the additions we have all virtual servers. Is it that, sir? That what you said? Like from after 2012 onwards, we had all virtual servers. Like you said, we have to know about cloud and everything. So can you make clear in that point? Like I understood that, whether that is right or wrong, I want to know. Yes, the question I asked, I'll repeat once the sir gets in the meeting. I'm actually waiting for him. Okay.
Okay, okay, bye.
Hello, assalamu alaikum to all of you.
Yes.
Walaikum
Walaikum salam, sir.
Salam.
Yes, sir.
Is there any issues?
Yeah, hope so because SAR is not online.
I think maybe network issues.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir got a network issue, sir.
Okay, we need to wait for 2 minutes. Hello. Actually, sir has facing issues of network, so I think we need to end this meeting right now.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
No issue.
We
Yes,
will
sir.
see you tomorrow, inshallah.
Yeah, yeah.
The
Thank you, sir.
exact time. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you to all of you.
Thanks, sir.
Tomorrow at 2:30, na sir?
Yeah, tomorrow at 2:30. That's
Okay.
why tomorrow is.
Acha, tomorrow is a Friday. Friday, right?
Yes. Yes.
So Friday we usually joined at 2:30, right?
2:30. Yeah.
Okay.
Every Friday.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum assalam.
Wa alaikum assalam.